you guys have been asking me for training, group training. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Sele Khalil, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Now, this video is for information purpose. I'm going to be talking about our training and when we're going to have this training and all the information that you need about training, because you guys have been asking me for training, group training, because you know not everybody can take the the trainings that we have now, the courses that we have now, which is why I have thought about it. But have I changed my mind about having a training this year? No, we don't have any other training for this year, but rest assured that our first training for the year our first training next year will be in January. Hopefully the date will be here. I'm going to put the date here. Hopefully I have the date before this video comes out. I have been having so many messages, like in a day, if I get like 200 messages a day, like 60 of those messages will be about training, or sometimes even half of the message will be about trainings. Now I decided not to do these trainings very often because it's tiring. It's I want to be able to give my best. I don't want to just do trainings for the sake of doing trainings. So I have decided that the first, just like we did this year, our first WhatsApp training will be in January, and that's about 3 months from now, or less than 3 months from now. Now we're going to have a limited number of students that we're going to be taking, because we're going to be giving this training is not like the other trainings that we have. If you have been following me for a while, you see that every time we have our trainings, we improve on a lot of things. Now for this training, it's not going to be for beginners, but if you're a beginner, you can join the class. But before you join the class, I would advise that you get our ebook. Now the ebook will help prepare you and give you all the background knowledge, the basics of everything that you need to know about formulation, about hygiene practices, about the ingredients that you basic ingredients, equipment that you need, and so many other things that the ebook will help equip you for. Now when you get the ebook, we are here to assist you as much as we can, and help you understand a lot of things, so that once the training starts, you will not be left behind. Now this training is going to be centered around properly formulating recipes. Now it's not going to be just giving you recipes without videos and all of that, or giving you 3 recipes and giving you 1 video as a template. No, for this training, what we're going to be doing is we're going to formulate each recipe that is going to be given. There's going to be a video. So if we're going to be doing 4 recipes, and that 4 recipes will have their videos. Now in this training, I'm going to show you how you can properly formulate a cosmetic recipe, starting from percentage, how you can convert your percentage to grams, how you can carefully create a formula and turn it into a proper recipe, how you can check your pH, the temperature, stirring, viscosity, and so many other things that are not commonly taught in skincare trainings. I'm going to be teaching you in this training. It's going to be something really different. Now this training is going to be for 5 days, okay? And each day we're going to take on 1 recipe. Now, like I said earlier, it's not a training for beginners, okay? If you haven't taken a course before in skincare formulation, I will not be teaching basics in that training. All I'm going to be doing is giving you recipes that work and properly formulating how to properly formulate this recipe. So let's take for example that I don't call my products half cast and all of that, but let's take for example that I'm giving you a half cast, how to make half cast cream. I'm going to give you half cast, how to make the half cast cream, the recipe, the formula, and the video. Okay, if we're going to be doing how to make pimple, dark circle or pimple cream, I'm going to show you how to formulate that, how to create the recipe, the kind of ingredients that you can combine, how you can create that recipe, and then creating a video from it. And every video that we make, I will expect that all the students will be able to recreate that video as their projects, okay? Because I'm going to be giving you certificates for this training. Now, all the details for this training will be put out on my Instagram handle, so make sure you are following me. I'm going to leave my handle here. It's also in the description bar down below. Just click there and it will take you to Instagram handle. Make sure you're following us on Instagram so that you get all the information that you need for the training. Now, like I said earlier, we're going to be having a very minimal, a very tight number of people. So don't think that because it's in January you have time. By next month, if the number of people that we need are up, we will close the registration. If by December the number of people that we need are complete, we will close the registration. So if you are interested in that training, I will advise you to pick up your spots now. The training is going to be for 15,000 naira only. So if you are a beginner and you want to join this class, I advise you to get our ebook now. The ebook is 10,000 naira. Now, a lot of you send me messages and say, oh, you said the ebook is 5,000. Yes, last year we had a sale. We ran a sale, and the sale ran for almost 2 months or 3 months or thereabout, and then it was 5,000, but the sale ended last year. So please, the ebook is 10,000 naira. I get really tired of explaining. So the ebook is 10,000 naira. If you want to join the January class, then, and you're a beginner, you have no basic knowledge of skincare or the business of skincare, then I will advise that you get the ebook and then join the class in January. Okay, now, like I said, all the information for the training, the model and all of that will be put on our Instagram page. Now, I said we're going to be doing 4 recipes. Now, the 5th recipe is going to be a bonus, because a lot of people ask me for recipe for effective pink lip, because they see my lip and everybody is like, oh my god, is that your lip? Yes, it is my lip. Look at it. This is my lip. I use my product. I use my pink lip cream. So I'm going to be teaching you how to make this pink lip cream, this exact one that I sell. Okay, so now you understand when I tell you that this training is going to be very intimate, very tight niche. I'm not going to be taking every Tom, Dick, and Harry. I'm not going to be admitting everybody. Once I get to the number of people that I want, I'm going to stop taking students. So if you are interested, you definitely want to register on time. Now, once you pay, you will be added to the group and you will stay there. All information will be put on there concerning the trainings and all of that. If there are things that I need you people to get beforehand, I will tell you people on the group to get this, get that, so that once the training starts, it will not be difficult for you to do your projects, because those projects are what will make me give you your your certificates. So definitely want to join this class if you are interested. Like I said, I'm going to be doing 4 recipes. I'm going to put all the information, but I am very sure that the 5th recipe is going to be a pink lip balm. Okay, I'm going to be teaching you how to make effective, very effective pink lip balm, the kind of pink lip balm that you will sell and you will make so much money. Most of the time I put the pink lip balm for my customers as a gift, and a lot of them have been telling me like, yo, your product, your pink lip balms are very, very effective, and they come back to buy in bulk to go and rebrand and sell. Okay, so I'm going to be teaching you how to make this pink lip balm. This pink lip balm, I sell the recipe for over 300k. Yes, I'm not even kidding you, I'm not joking, because it's very simple, but there are some things that I add in that makes it stand out. It doesn't give you that sharp, dry. There are some pink lip balms that you use and you see that your lip is peeling, it's dry and all of that. There are some things that I put in mine that make your products very, very gives your lip very hydrating look and very plump look. So if you want to learn about that, and that's a bonus, that's the bonus. I can decide to add more bonuses, but that's the one bonus that I'm going to be giving for this training. Okay, so if you are interested and you would want to join this training, the training is going to be for 15,000 naira. 15,000 naira. Let me see how much that would be in dollars. Okay, because I know a lot of people want to know how much that is in dollars. So 15,000 naira would be about $40. Okay, about 41 point something. So let's just say $41. So if you would like to join this training, definitely use the link down below to send us a WhatsApp message and indicate your interest. We will send you the account details and you pay, and we will add you to the group. But before we do that, we're going to upload the model on Instagram, so definitely make sure you're following us on Instagram. Our Instagram handle is Posh Skin Secrets PHC. Okay, our Instagram handle once again is Posh Skin Secrets PHC. The link is in the description bar. If you are not clear, you can go on there and click there and then follow us, leave us a message if you're interested, and then we can take it from there. You asked for it and we're bringing it to you. So that will be the first training that we will have in 2022. God willing, we are all alive and in good health. That training is going to benefit you so much. You're going to be very, very happy you took that training. So it's not about giving you up to 50 different models, telling you, oh, we're going to teach you 50 different recipes, and at the end of the day you don't get anything from it. I always tell my students that it's not about having tons of recipes. It is about having 1, 2, 3 recipes that are effective. Okay, if you have 4 recipes that are effective, you don't need thousands of recipes. Okay, if you're looking for, we're going to be focusing mainly on skin enhancements. When I say skin enhancement, I mean, lightening creams, brightening creams, whitening creams. Okay, so those are the kind of creams we're going to be focused on, because a lot of people, those are the kind of messages I get. A lot of people want to learn how to make natural skin lightening creams, natural skin brightening creams. But when it comes to whitening creams, please note that it's not so natural. Okay, any whitening cream, anything you hear whitening, is not a natural, it's not 100% natural. Okay, so we're also going to be talking about that in a bit, but I also have a video here that I talked about the difference between skin brightening, skin lightening, and skin whitening. You definitely want to go and check that video out. So yeah, if you are interested, like I said, make sure you send me a WhatsApp message. I'm still going to be putting out more information about the training, and let you guys know what's up. So if you are interested and you want to join, send a WhatsApp message. All the details for payments and all of that will be sent to you, and then you will be added to a group. On that group, we'll be giving you information on the training, things that you need to buy and all of that, so that it is easy for you. You're going to be getting a certificate. Please, if you're watching this video and I am owing you certificates, you took our last training and I'm owing you certificate, I haven't given you your certificate, please send me a WhatsApp message so that I can do that ASAP, because I get swamped up in work and sometimes I forget. So please bear with me. I'm sorry, I apologize if I haven't given you your certificate from the past training. That's trainings that have certificates, please let me know. I would be very, very glad to do that by tomorrow. I can't say tomorrow because I don't even know when this video will come up, but just send me a message so that I can do that immediately. And please, I will be sending it on your WhatsApp. So if you want them on your email, you can definitely transfer it to your email and then print it out or something. But I'm going to be sending it through WhatsApp because it's easier for me there. Email is far, so help me so that I can help you. Okay, so yeah, that's the information I wanted to put out. I had a lot of things I wanted to talk about. I can't even start putting them together. I was rehearsing them very well. Now I'm here now. I cannot talk again. No. Anyways, that's the information I wanted to give you. It's about the training, so you asked for it. It's here. Send me all your messages for the training, and we will definitely attend to you. If I have any more information, I'll probably post another video concerning the training or talk about it in any of my videos that are coming up. If you haven't subscribed, please take this time to subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell so you will be notified every time I put out a new video. And make sure you are commenting. Leave your comments in the comment section. Leave your comments in the comment section if you have questions concerning videos that are posted. Don't send WhatsApp messages. WhatsApp messages are for orders and trainings and all of that. But if you have questions concerning a topic that I put on here, please leave your comment in the comment section. I always come back to reply. So yeah, thank you so much for listening. I hope with this video I have been able to fulfill some people's wishes, because I know how you people have been bombarding me with, please, when is your next training? Please, when is your next training? The next training is in January. I'm going to give you the information on my Instagram, so please make sure you're following me on Instagram. And my Instagram is always here. I'm going to put it here, but you can also check the link down below for Instagram handles. Okay, so all the information will be put there. Make sure you're following me. I hope I have answered your questions, and I hope we will have a beautiful learning experience. I don't want to just take people's money and not give them value for their money. So I always like to take my time and prepare myself and do stuff. Now, if you are a beginner and you don't know anything about skincare formulation, please get my ebook. My ebook will help you build yourself, give you all the background knowledge, and then you can definitely join the training from there. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much, guys. If any information comes up again, I will definitely do another video. Okay, good night, good morning, good afternoon. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe, stay beautiful, and stay flawless. Bye.